I'm really excited today to introduce you to this great new listing. It's 556 Village Loop Drive in Apex. Follow me in. Let's take a look. First level entry and a third bedroom or an office. Full bath with a laundry room combo and entrance to the one-car garage. Up the stairs to this wonderful main living area. You've got a grand open living space, kitchen, bar, great island, plenty of room to cook and entertain, and a deck off the back. In addition to being in a great location at Apex, this community has wonderful amenities. I'm talking community pool and clubhouse, volleyball, tennis, basketball courts, and walking trails. You can spend all day outside and then come home to your wonderful owner suite up here on the third floor to relax. Welcome home to 556 Village Loop Drive.